How to fix Samsung Smart TV apps issues when the app will not start. The following steps will guide you through troubleshooting this app's issues on your Samsung Smart TV. 1. Power cycle devices. To do this, first, unplug your modem, router, and TV. Do not disconnect any Ethernet cables, just unplug the power cords from the wall. Then, plug in your modem and router first and wait for it to establish a connection. Now, plug in the TV and turn it on. If this does not resolve the issue, then you can try the next tip. 2. App reinstallation. Here, we will guide you through uninstalling and reinstalling the app you are having issues with. To uninstall app, press the Smart Hub or Home button from your remote. Select APS. Select Settings. Select the app that you want to uninstall or delete. Select Delete option. Select Delete to confirm. To install app, press the Smart Hub button from your remote. Then, select Apps. Search for the app you want to install by selecting magnifying glass icon. Type the name of the application you want to install. Then select Done. Select Download. Once the download completes, select Open to use your new app. Now try the device to see if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel and read the description for the complete guide.